Welcome. This episode we will be building part 2-07 Steering Spindle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 2-07, the steering spindle. Let's get building. So let's open up the tablet MMGS. Okay, so let's go top plane, sketch, cylinder. This is virtually multiple cylinders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cylinders joined together with some thread. Put them basic description. Okay, this one is going to be 12 millimeters. It's going to be 120 mid plane, although it doesn't really matter on this one by the looks. So that one's there. Before we go any further, let me add some color. This makes it look nice. Ooh. Take away from that plain grey look. Okay, so now we want to go on top of this one again. Circle. The center point. That's going to be 19 millimeter diameter. 19. And that's going to be thickness of 6.5. Leave that blind. If you do that mid plane, then that's going to cover up there. So now you need keep that blind. So that's going to be 6.5. Yes, it is. And done. Save. Now on this face there, sketch another circle. Oh, put circle first with help. That's going to be 12 mil again. 12 mil. That's going to be a total of 51. 51. Done. And then we got another one. It's going to be another circle. Circle right in the middle again. Voice in the center. And that's going to be 10 mil. Oh, sorry. It's smart dimension. 10 mil. And that's going to be a total of 161.5. 161.5. And okay. Another circle. This is the last circle. They just got to put some thread on it. That should be done. Maybe. Nope, no chamfer. No chamfer. We'll fill it. I'm after circle. That's going to be 6 mil. Alright. Smart dimension. 6 mil. That's going to be a total of 16 mil. And done. There we go. So that, now we've got M6 thread there. And then we've got M12 thread down there. Let's do this one first. Save. Thread. Oh, that's M60, not M6. M6 there is. So click down there. Up to selection, which is that one. And that should be it. There we go. Beautiful. That one's done. Now this one here, it's going to be a bit interesting. It's going to be Actually, I just thought of something. Oh, with a thread. It's going to be what, 12? All the way up, 10, 12. 12 by 1.5. Okay, so we want there. Up to selection, which is there. Oh, sorry. We want that one there. Put that one back. Up to selection, which is there. We want offset of 51 minus 26, which is 25. Ah. Okay, didn't do what I thought I was going to do. Oh, hold on. Wrong offset. Up here. 25. There we go. That's the wrong offset. And okay. Oh, hold on. Cut thread. And there we go. Okay, that's how you do it from there. You go from there to the offset. Okay, beautiful. So let me just have a look at that again, what I did. So we've got edge 1, which is down there, up to edge 2, which is up there, offset 25 millimeters from here to there. So there, that way it's perfect done. And that's that one done. All right, that's part 2-07, steering spindle, done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button if you enjoyed. Leave any comments and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you want to subscribe, you want to see more, definitely subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.